For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever spent forever waiting for your fryer to heat up? Or struggled with tiny batches that ruin your workflow? I've been there. And that's why the 3,000-watt commercial electric deep fryer with 30.6 cubic capacity is a total game changer. With its massive 30.6 cubic tank, you can fry wings, fries, or even a whole turkey without crowding the oil. I tested it during a busy prep day, and the difference was immediate. Everything cooked evenly, and I didn't have to juggle batches constantly. The dual 3,000-watt heating elements bring the oil to your perfect temperature fast, while independent thermostats let you cook 2 different foods at once. Plus, the automatic shutoff at 446 degrees Fahrenheit keeps things safe during hectic frying sessions. Cleanup is simple thanks to the stainless steel body, welded oil tanks, and front-mounted drain valve. The included interlayer keeps flavors separate, and the basket front hook lets you drain excess oil neatly. Even small touches like the fitted cover make frying less messy and more efficient. Whether you're running a restaurant, food truck, or prepping for a party, this fryer handles high-volume cooking with speed, safety, and consistency. Trust me, once you try it, you'll notice how much smoother your frying game becomes. Upgrade your kitchen today and make every batch crispy, golden, and perfect without the stress. Your orders, your guests, and your time will thank you.